Do you know what channel this is? It's a secret channel. It's called Marian's Cakes and Crafts. So, we are today, I think you already know that we're making not s'mores, but chocolate dipped marshmallows.
Yeah, duh.
Okay, so we melted our chocolate for about 20 seconds and we mixed it up. To mix it up, we used some chocolate and melted it.
Yeah, we're gonna dip it.
We're gonna dip it, yeah.
And that was Fiona, my sister's baby. Fiona, nice.
Okay, let's dip. So, we have our chocolate. Marshmallow. I got a jumbo marshmallow. Melted chocolate and dip. One side. Nice and good. Oh, geez. It's fine. I like to go like this. Just like spread it around.
Is it my video next? Just a moment.
And the other side, I like to go like this and dip.
Wait, I need one help.
What? I'll help you just a sec.
Take the blue one out. I want
Okay.
the blue one.
So Fiona's just talking to me about some stuff.
Yeah, what will be and stuff.
Yeah.
See?
I can't help with that. I don't know anything about anything except making things fall. It's still fine. I just gotta clean this up.
Yeah,
Hold on.
has to clean it up.
I gotta get this wet. It's a towel.
Wait, can I touch them
Nope, I'm here.
when you're cleaning it up?
Nope, I'm already ready. Okay, so I'm just using a wet towel. I'm going to
Yeah, she's just using wet towel.
clean it up like so. Really easy, really simple. And your mom doesn't get mad at you for like making a mess in the kitchen. So, just fell in the dishwasher a little bit, but it's not that big. It's like a little bit. And then go put this in the washer. You can talk to Fiona.
Okay. She's just putting in the washer. So this is my dip. This is gonna be my dip now.
Out of the way.
Then can it be my dip?
Yep. Okay. So I got us all cleaned, and our chocolate is almost hardened. We don't want it to be hardened yet. We have to dip it on both sides with sprinkles.
Yes, with the sprinkles.
A little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Perfect. And now, please stop, Fiona.
Please stop, Fiona. Okay, I stopped. Okay,
Okay.
I stopped.
Do you? What did I eat? Oh, it was a leaf, basil. Let me just, so it's a cake pop stick. I got it from a kit from my grandma. And stick it right through there.
Yeah.
Like
Just a moment, I
That's
get up in the world.
perfect. So now, science. I'm gonna put this in the fridge
Now it's my turn.
to chill.
Then
Okay.
it's my turn.
Now I'm gonna do my mom's.
Where's my-
Just wait, it's my turn for a little bit longer. Okay, you ready? Now we're doing my mom's s'more. It's two of these smallie ones. So dip.
Did you give me my two of those sticks?
Yeah, I'll get it just a sec.
Okay, I'll get one.
No, I have both of them for you. Sorry, Fiona's bothering me. So, one is the little babies. Just a little bit. My mom doesn't really like the sprinkles. There. And then put it on a plate. One more little bit. I'm speeding up here. And you know why I put these in the fridge? Why? because it helps them. I like the chocolate to be hardened, and it looks super cool. Now, once the fridge is all chill, I'm gonna do another video, but it's my sister's turn.